There's lots of ways to teach kicking, and one is we can just sit on the side. This doesn't put their face in the water, and it's just kind of fun. They can watch themselves kick. So I'd say, okay, we're gonna kick our legs. Can you show me how you kick? Just kick for me, just kick. And sometimes they start like this. You know, their knees are a little bit bent, but they're making splashes and they're making bubbles. And I can say, really good job kicking. Now, we would want to tell them to use straight legs and pointed toes. So I introduce straight legs and pointed toes by this. Can you flex your feet? Good job. You know how to point your toes? Point and flex and point. And sometimes they don't get that. So you have to physically, like manually, oh, that's pointing your toes. Squeeze your legs together. Now flex your feet. You're going to bring your toes all the way back to your head. You're going to try to do that. Get them pointed to your head or to your body. And then point and then flex. So you'd manually show them how to do it. And then we practice a few times so they know the difference. Flex and point. Now when we kick, I want pointed toes. Sometimes you'll see their legs come up like this, and that's when you say, I want straight legs too. Straight legs and pointed toes. All right, we're gonna kick. Now I just want small bubbles at the top of the water, just really, really small bubbles, small splashes. Nobody likes to be splashed. And the truth is, it's not just about getting splashed. It's actually that this is gonna make a very effective kick as they learn to do freestyle in the next few courses. So to practice kicking, we're going to play just motorboat, which is what we'll do. We'll have straight legs and pointed toes and go motorboat, motorboat, go so slow. And I would encourage them to keep their hands behind them, just so they're propped up nicely. Motorboat, motorboat, go so fast. Good. Keep those bubbles nice and small. Motorboat, motorboat, all out of gas. And then if we wanted to incorporate the bubble blowing in it, I can have them blow bubbles to get gas. So you're going to flip over and hum, or hum right here to get your bubbles. Hum. More bubbles you blow. Okay. The more bubbles you blow, the more gas you get, and the faster we can kick. Okay, you ready? We're going to do it one more time. Motorboat, motorboat, go so slow. Good. Keep those legs close together. There you go. Smaller kicks. Motorboat, motorboat, go so fast. Motorboat, motorboat, all out of gas.